Hello everyone. Let me find my glasses. Okay, I didn't need to find it. Let me just put it on. Anyway, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how much I crocheted today. So basically I'm just going to be crocheting, and then at the end of the video I'm going to show you guys how much I got done. So this isn't like a how much I can crochet, but it's how much I did crochet. Like there's a difference to me, because I'm not like giving myself a certain time frame. I'm just showing you guys how much I can get done in a day. So right now it's actually 1 o'clock, so I'm actually starting really late. I was supposed to start like earlier in the morning, so we'll see how much I get done today. So I finished my front panel yesterday, so I'm starting on my back. I started on the back already actually. I got 10 rows in. I need to do 30 more rows to finish this back panel, and then I need to do 2 sleeves. So I really want to finish the entire sweater today, so I'm gonna try and do that and we'll just see. So oh, and I'm also not going to bed early, so I'm gonna stay up as long as I can trying to finish this sweater. So we'll just see how much I can do. So let's get it. Okay guys, so it is currently 4 o'clock exactly, and I just finished the back panel. Ta-da! So now I'm going to start on the sleeve and then see if I can finish both sleeves today, and then assemble everything today and do the collar today. But even when I finish all of that, the sweater still won't be done, because I'm gonna make like a snowman and some like Christmassy stuff to sew onto the sweater. But essentially the sweater will be done. But let's get it. Okay guys, so I finished my sleeve. One sleeve down. I finished a panel today, my back panel, and now I finished my sleeve, and now I'm gonna start on another one. So let's get it. Okay guys, so it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I did not finish the sweater because one, I'm tired now, and I could have finished. I really could have finished, but I took 2 hours to do something else, so that was 2 hours I didn't get to continue working on my sweater. And then I took another break earlier to eat, and I think that was like an hour and a half ish. So that's like 3 hours I didn't have to work on the sweater, but I did, like I showed you guys before, I completed the back panel of the sweater, and then I completed an entire sleeve, and then I started on the other sleeve, and that's how this one's looking. I did the opposite because I think that's cool. So that is how much I crocheted today, which is really good. Like literally an entire back panel was finished, sleeve, and then another started on another sleeve. Like that's really good. But I'm tired now, so I'm going to go to sleep and then continue, and I'll definitely finish the sweater tomorrow, like easily, but that won't be in this video, so you'll have to wait for the next video to drop in that room, and I'll show you guys how the sweater ended up, how it ended up looking. Yeah, my brain is like not working right now because it's, I was gonna say early, technically it is early, but it's late. But that is all for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.